Hello, my dear learners. Very good morning, everyone. I am Shashank, and I welcome you all on English Medium Prep by Exampur, which is a channel that is dedicated to complete English medium preparation. So, students, first of all, a very good morning, everyone, and welcome to the session. And please confirm your attendance. Then we are going to start the session of today. And today we will be discussing the topic which is Fundamental Rights Part 1. So we will be bringing the two sessions on fundamental rights because it's a very important topic. So we will be bringing two sessions of fundamental right. Today is part 1 and tomorrow I will be with fundamental rights part 2. So Jivitha, good morning and welcome to the session. So good morning guys and welcome to the session, and please confirm your attendance as well. Then we will be starting the session. Today we are going to discuss fundamental rights part 1. And fundamental rights, it is the rights of the citizens, or it is the claim of the citizens. So it is such an important topic from where you can find question in almost every exam for which you are preparing, no matter civil services up to MTS examination. So Naveen, good morning and welcome to the session. So students, now let's start the session. Let's begin the session, and today we are going to discuss the fundamental rights part 1. Now let's start. And here is the first question that is before you, and the timer is already started. The question before you is a easy question. Which of the following has given the power to enforce the fundamental right by Constitution of India? So which authority has power to enforce the fundamental rights? Is it all courts of India? Is it President, Parliament, or Supreme Court and High Courts? So Vijay, good morning and welcome guys to the welcome to session. So which authority has power to enforce the fundamental rights? Okay, the answer is coming quickly. Naveen is saying option D, that is Supreme Court and High Courts. Okay, Vijay is also saying option D. So D is also the correct answer. So correct answer will be also option D, that is Supreme Court and High Court. And fundamental rights, if they are hamper, Supreme Court and High Courts can issue writs for enforcement and safeguard of fundamental rights. Supreme Court can issue writ through Article 32 and High Courts can issue the writs from Article 226. Although all courts of India also include subordinate court, but subordinate court cannot issue writs. So all courts include Supreme Court, High Courts and subordinate courts. But subordinate court can't issue writs. So subordinate court can't issue writs, therefore all courts of India will not be the correct answer. So Sanjeev, good morning and Jai Hind to everyone. So correct answer will be Supreme Court and High Court. Subordinate court, they don't have power to issue writs, therefore all courts of India will be a wrong answer. Parliament President cannot enforce the fundamental rights. Therefore correct answer will be option D. Now let's move to the next question. Fundamental rights cannot be suspended, can be suspended by order of Prime Minister, can be suspended on the will of Parliament of the President. Will means Iksha Shakti, that you can say upon, that is upon the President of India. Can be suspended during emergency. High Court jurisdiction is more than Supreme Court? No, in one case only, that is in writ. Rest of the cases, Supreme Court is more powerful than High Court. Only in case of writ, Naveen, High Court writ is more powerful than Supreme Court. Okay, let's see the correct answer. Ki fundamental rights can be suspended during emergency, and that is except Article 20 and 21. So whenever it is in Article 358, it is said कि whenever national emergency is declared, the fundamental rights that is under Article 19 automatically gets suspended. So that is clearly mentioned in Article 358 that कि whenever Article 356 in Article 356 it is written कि whenever in 358 कि whenever Article 356 that is national emergency is declared, the fundamental rights under Article 19 automatically get suspended. So that is clearly written Article 358, and Article 358 and through Article 359 President in Article 359 President by a special proclamation can suspend all fundamental rights except Article 20 and 21. So this is written in Article 358 itself कि whenever the national emergency is declared, the fundamental rights that is under Article 19 automatically gets suspended. So that is 356, that is not whenever national emergency, I am writing about state emergencies saying national emergency. So whenever national emergency 352, whenever national emergency is declared, already it is written national emergency and article was of state emergency. So whenever national emergency is declared, the fundamental rights which are mentioned under Article 19, which is 6 democratic freedoms, automatically gets suspended. Therefore, correct answer will be can be suspended during emergency, and Article 359 says that President by a special order can suspend all fundamental rights except Article 20 and 21. Therefore, guys, correct answer will be option D, that is it can be suspended during the time of emergency. So that is national emergency, which is defined in part 18, that is emergency provisions. Fundamental rights that is under Article 19 automatically gets suspended. ठीक. Okay. Now guys, let's come to the next question. Next question is very easy for all of you. Which articles are related to right to equality? Very easy question, guys. You don't have to put extra mind in this type of question. Articles related to right to equality. Right to equality, that is related in which article? Article 13, 14, 15, 16. Very easy question. So you have to use the codes and give the correct answer. So I am on the one side of the screen. Please see the question and answer properly. Very easy question for you people. So timer is also running, guys. Within 20 seconds you have to give the correct answer. Okay, 1, 1, 1. Vijay is saying option 2. 1, 2 and 3. Guys, my dear student, I was expecting everyone will give me the correct answer. But see, right to equality, that is Article 14 to 18. That is from Article 14 to 18. Okay, Atul Kumar, good morning. So that is from Article 14 to 18, guys, right to equality. So 14, 15, 16, because it is in 14 to 18. How it is Article 13, guys? Correct answer will be option C. Correct answer will be option C, because right to equality, that is from Article 14 to 18. Article 13, that is related to judicial review. Judicial review, it is not there. So Article 13 is not. So correct answer will be 2, 3 and 4. Option C. So correct answer will be option C, because right to equality, that is from article 14 to 18. So article 14, that is right to equality related, article 15 and article 16. So correct answer will be 2, 3 and 4. Therefore option C. I was thinking that everyone will give me the correct answer, but in starting none of you gave. Once you see all of the above question, you become super excited and start saying all of the above. It is not always it is all of the above. Before attempting any question, dear students, this you should also apply in your mock test and exam. Please read the question carefully. Please read the question carefully before attempting it, because this type of silly mistake, that is not acceptable in exam. So easy question it was, and everyone started saying 1, because 1 it is not there, because fundamental right starts from, properly fundamental right start from article 14 to article 32. So before attempting any this type of easy question in exam, please be extra conscious, because sometimes speed thrills but it kills also. Therefore correct answer will be option C. Okay, now come to the next question. In Indian Constitution, right to freedom is guaranteed by which of the following article? Right to freedom. So let me start the timer also. Timer is also started. Right to freedom. Right to freedom, it is given by which article? Okay, let's see the correct answer. V is saying 2, 1. Okay, A. Okay, Sanjeev is also saying correctly. So right to equality, that is from article 14 to 18. Right to freedom, that is from article 19 to 22. Therefore correct answer will be option A, that is right to freedom from article 19 to 22. Sir, your classes, Supreme Court, UPPSC, PET, definitely that is more than enough. So Atul, if you are on the regular basis, if you are attending the session on regular basis, so once you will attempt the question, you will not find anything topic that has been left over. So it is, so that is well enough for your Supreme Court JCA examination plus UPPSC PET examination. So but you should attend the session on regular basis, including the marathons as well. So that will let you to prepare on a very good way. Therefore it was a very easy question. So correct answer will be article 19 to article 22. So that's a very easy question. But sometimes easy question also students commits the mistake. Okay guys, before I should proceed to the next question, I will request all of the viewers to please download our Exampur official app, because you have many value offerings which we are offering without any charge. First of all, we are giving you the live paid courses with the test series. Other than this, subject wise, topic wise quizzes with report card. So subject wise plus topic wise quizzes that you will be getting. Then job alert, admit card, exam date. Sometimes you miss the vacancy because you are not aware of कि this vacancy has already came. That happened in the Supreme Court JCA. Many students were not aware about this vacancy. So we will be giving you the vacancy alerts, admit card and examination date. Otherwise, other than this, all exams previous year PDFs along with the solution. So that we are also offering the previous year PDF of different examination along with the solution. Other than this, topic wise free live classes, you will be getting topic to topic free live classes without any charge. Then full length mock test with the sectional test and report card. So in every type of test, you will be getting report card. So my classes timing is 11 AM, then 5 PM. Then free exam wise PDF and practice set. So you will be getting the free exam wise PDF and practice test. Now most important is the current affairs. Daily current affairs, weekly current affairs, monthly current affairs we will compile you and will give you without any cost. and then unlimited subject wise practice test question. So these are the value offerings that we are giving. Other than this, how to download this Exampur app? Very simple, 6 step. First of all, go to Google Play Store, search Exampur, then you will find this app. Download this app. First time you are using it, click on let's register. Small form will be open before you. Fill basic details, checkbox, and then register and start using the app. Now guys, this was all about our Exampur official app and how to install and use this app. Now let's come to the again. ओके सो सर आपकी क्लास सुप्रीम कोर्ट के लिए कैरेट, भाई ये कैरेट का मतलब तो गाजर होता है, गाजर अच्छा भी होता है, तो थोड़ा अच्छे से बताओगे तो अतुल तो मैं भी समझ जाऊंगा कि ये कैरेट का मतलब गाजर है या कुछ एक नया टर्मिनोलॉजी है जिससे अभी मैं अवेयर नहीं हूं। तो ये कैरेट आजकल का नया टर्मिनोलॉजी या स्लैंग है, ये मुझे इसके बारे में पता नहीं है, तो एक बार अच्छे से लिखोगे तो मुझे भी जानकारी हो जाएगी। Now come to the next question कि which of the following fundamental rights is directly related to exploitation of the children? 11 to 5, no, it is at 11 then on 5, not directly 11 to 5, 11 am then 5 pm. Now which provision of the fundamental rights is directly related to exploitation of the children? So exploitation of the children which is related. Guys, actually, okay. Exploitation of children. So which is related to exploitation? Okay, this is an idiom for easy things. Okay. So the fundamental right which is directly related to exploitation of the children, that is Article 24. So that is Article 24. That means कि no child up to the age group of 14 years they are allowed to work in dangerous industry. And Article 23, that is prohibition of human trafficking and begar. Prohibition of human trafficking and begar. So that is Article 23, it is related to prohibition of human trafficking, and Article 24 is related to exploitation of children. And these two combined articles, they are called right against exploitation. Right against exploitation, that is Article 23 and 24. So that is combinedly called as right against exploitation. So correct answer will be guys option D, that is Article 24. It is related to exploitation of the children's, and prohibition on the exploitation of children. Article 23 says prohibition of human trafficking and begar. Human trafficking means illegal transportation of person from one place to another place. Begar system means forced labor without payment like bonded laborers. 11 to 12 and 5 to 6. Definitely Atul, definitely. So that's the correct timing. Now come to a very easy question कि through which provision of the constitution abolition has been, untouchability has been abolished. So Vijay, you are getting confused. So this is due to the lack of proper revision. So under which provision of the Indian Constitution untouchability has been abolished? Article 14, 21, 17 or 19? So in this question your answer will be correct. Okay, Atul. Guys, correct answer, untouchability has been abolished. Untouchability has been abolished through Article 17. So Article 17 says abolition of untouchability. And this right is an absolute right in nature. So it is an absolute right in nature. And absolute right means that right, absolute right means that right which has no exception. So the right which has no exception, that is called absolute right. Relative rights are called those rights which exist with exception, like Article 18, abolition of titles. Like Article 18, abolition of titles. That is a relative, because military title and academic titles are allowed, so this is a relative right. And absolute right means ki it is applicable in every condition, so it is relative right. And Article 17, it is a absolute right. Okay, so correct answer will be option C, Article 21, that is right to life and personal liberty. We have question on that in upcoming questions, so there we will discuss it properly. Therefore, correct answer will be option C, that is Article 17, that discusses with the abolition of untouchability. And Article 18 discusses the abolition of title, which is relative in nature, because military titles and academic titles can be retained. Okay, now let's come to the next question. Which articles of the Constitution of India is related to the fundamentals of the press? So, fundamentals of the press or independency of the press, it is related in which article of the Indian Constitution? Article 19, 20, 21, 22. So, fundamentals of the press. Guys, correct answer will be Article 19, Clause 1, Clause A. So, that is in Article 19, that is properly it is in Article 19, 1A, that is freedom of speech and expression. Freedom of speech and expression. So, correct answer will be option A, that is Article 19. Article 20 and 21 can't be suspended during emergency, and 22 that discusses with the protection in respect of, and Article 22 that discusses in about the Article 22 that discusses about the protection in respect to conviction in certain offences, or Article 22 that is related to the detention, that is related to punitive and preventive detention. That is protection against arrest and detention. So, that is protection against arrest and detention. Protection against arrest and detention. Therefore, correct answer will be, guys, option A, that is Article 19. And Article 19, Clause 1, Clause A, that discusses the freedom of speech and expression, that includes the freedom of press. That includes the freedom of press. Now, come to the next question, which article of the Indian Constitution that is related to protection of life and personal liberty? So, protection of life and personal liberty, this is in which article of Indian Constitution? So, protection, which article is related to protection of life and personal liberty? Guys, see, first of all, it is defined in Article 21. Article 19 discusses with the 6 democratic freedoms. Six democratic freedom. Then Article 21, right to life and personal liberty. Article 20, that is protection in respect of conviction in certain offences. Protection in respect of conviction in certain offences. Protection in respect to conviction in certain offences. And what are the protection which is given? First is no ex post facto law. The first protection that is given is no ex post facto law. Second is no double jeopardy. Third is no self-incrimination. So these are the three types of protection which is given in the case of any type of offense as well. So if a person commits any type of offense, it does not mean that all the constitutional protection will be wiped out and that person will be directly prosecuted. So three types of constitutional protection is given in case any person has committed any type of offense then also. Therefore, correct answer will be, guys, option B, that is Article 21, that discusses to right to life and personal liberty. So correct answer will be option B. Now let's come to the next question. Now let's come to the next question, ki which of the following articles are in vices by right against exploitation in the Constitution? Okay, let's see the correct answer, guys. If I talk about the protection right, that is the right against exploitation, that is defined in Article 23. Abolition of untouchability, that is in Article 17, and protection of employment of the children in the mines, that is in Article 24. So correct answer will be 1 and 4. So 1 and 4, that will be option C. That will be, guys, option C. So there was a slight buffering, but now I think it should be correctly. So now I think it should be, it is corrected and everything is visible. Protection of the interest of minorities, guys, that is in Article 29 and 30. That is protection of the interest of minorities, that is Article 29 and 30. So correct answer will be option C, that is 1 and 4 only. Now come to the next question, ki which of the following does not fall within the purview of Article 21 of the Indian Constitution. So which of the following does not fall under purview of the article of Indian Constitution? Is it medical aid to injured by a doctor, sexual harassment of women at a workplace, pollution of the quality of the water, or capital punishment? Capital punishment is death punishment. So what will be the correct answer, guys? Ki which of the following that does not fall? Guys, Article 21 says right to life and personal liberty. Personal liberty, that includes the right to privacy. So that does not include, guys, that does not include the sexual harassment of women at the workplace. Does not fall, because capital punishment, it is not banned in India, so it is not banned in India. And right to life can be taken by process. The Supreme Court gave the capital punishment, and the mercy petition was also rejected by the President of India. So has right to take your, law has power to take your right to life. So you can, through right to life, you can take the So correct answer will be, guys, option B, that is sexual harassment of the workplace. It is not acceptable for the women's, and there is always a post shell. There is always a post shell that you can say that monitors if any women is being sexually harassed at the workplace, then they take a very appropriate action. So in every company, guys, there is a post shell that takes care of none of the employees, female employees, they should be harassed in any way. Therefore, correct answer will be option B. So Supreme Court, in the case of rarest of the rare, can give capital punishment, can declare capital punishment to the person. Now come to this question, guys. First of all, please read the instruction carefully before answering it. Please read the question carefully before answering it. So I am on the one side of the screen so that you can see the proper question, proper quotes, and then give me the answer. Okay, let's see the correct answer. So Vijay is saying option B. Guys, Article 31 is related to right to property. It is wrong because it was related to right to property. Now, right to property is a legal right but not a fundamental right. Earlier it was in Article 31. Earlier. Now it is in Article 300A. Clear? Article 300A was inserted through 44th Amendment Act 1978 during the time of Janata Party government. So correct answer is option, or the correct statement is also option 3. Option 2 is correct, but option 1 is wrong. So 2 and 3, the correct answer will be option B. Correct answer will be option B. It is not D. Reason is this, कि 1, 2, 3. 1 is not, because it is written Article 31 is, it was. It is not is, it is not in present, it was. So only one line changed the whole answer. So it was, not it is. I hope, Atul, it is clear. So it should be clear to all of you, it was, not it is. Okay, let's move to the next question. No worries, Atul, you are here to learn the things so that you cannot commit the mistake in exam. No worry, there is no need for apology or to say sorry, because here you are to learn the things so that you can avoid the mistake in the examination. Now, Article 25 is related to what? Okay, let's see the correct answer. Article 25 is related to, guys, first of all, right to equality, that is from Article 14 to 18. Right to property, not a fundamental right, it's a legal right. That is in Article 300A. Then freedom of religion, Article 25 to 28. Protection of minorities, protection of the interest of minorities, Article 29 and 30. So freedom, Article 25, that is related to right to freedom of religion. Right to freedom of religion. So our correct answer will be option C, right to freedom of religion from Article 25 to Article 28. Protection of the interest of minorities 29 and 30. Then right to equality 14 to 18, and then right to property, it was earlier fundamental right, but now it's a legal right. Therefore, correct answer will be option C. Definitely, Ritik, we will be, once we will be completing the things, we will be discussing the date of launching also. So just within upcoming month, we are planning it in upcoming month. Guys, which of the following is regarded as the protector of the fundamental rights of the citizen and the guardian of the Constitution of India? And the guardian, that is the protector of the Constitution of India, Parliament, Attorney General, Supreme Court or President. So two things are there, protector of the fundamental rights and the guardian of the Constitution. Two things are there, and that is all did by the Supreme Court, because Supreme Court is the Supreme Court, it is the protector of the fundamental rights, protector of the fundamental right, then it is the protector of Constitution, protector of Constitution, and interpreter of Constitution. Because Supreme Court, it is the protector of the Constitution, interpreter of the Constitution, also the guardian of the Constitution. Because whenever the language of the Constitution is ambiguous or it is unclear, whatever the reason, whatever the explanation is given by Supreme Court, that is full, that is acceptable to all of us. Because whenever Supreme Court, it is the protector and interpreter of Indian Constitution along with the guardian of fundamental rights. Because how it is interpreter, ki whenever the language of Constitution is ambiguous or unclear, whatever the explanation is given by Supreme Court, that is acceptable to us. So Supreme Court, it is the protector and interpreter of Indian Constitution. Supreme Court, that is defined in part 5 from article 124 to 147. Parliament, that is from article 79 to 122. Then Attorney General, that is article 76, and President only from article 52 to 62. So Supreme Court, it is the class daily होती है, class daily होती है from Monday to Friday. Saturday, Sunday we have marathon sessions. So regular classes, that is from Monday to Friday, Saturday and Sunday marathon sessions of different subject. So marathon भी मिलेगा, regular classes भी मिलेंगी, सब एक प्लेटफॉर्म पर आपको एक जगह सब कुछ मिल जाएगा. So correct answer will be, guys, Supreme Court. Supreme Court part 5 from article 124 to 147. Parliament, that is also in part 5, 79 to article 122. Attorney General, article 76. Supreme Court, that is from article 124 to 147. President, that is from article 252 to 62. Okay, come to the next question. Next question is कि right to education of all children between the age group of 6 to 14 years is a. So right to education to all children between the age group of 6 to 14 years is a. So that is right to education, guys. It's a fundamental right that is defined in Article 21A. Article 21A and added in Constitution through 86th Amendment Act 2002. So it is a fundamental right in nature. And it is free and compulsory education. So it is free and compulsory education to children up to age group of 6 to 14 years. So correct answer will be, it is not a DPSP, it is a fundamental right because it is in Article 21A. DPSP is from Article 36 to 51. Fundamental rights are from 12 to 35. So correct answer will be option B. And it is a fundamental rights, guys. Fundamental rights, it is also known as Magna Carta of Indian Constitution, that is mentioned in part 3. And King John is also known as father of fundamental rights. Therefore correct answer will be option B, that is it's a fundamental right in nature. Okay guys, so before I should conclude my session, I will request those students who have joined us new to please download the Exampur app. Because of our value offerings, we are giving you the paid live courses with the test series, free subject wise, topic wise quizzes with the report card, job alert, admit card, exam dates that is needed for your examination and for preparation, then previous year PDF along with the answer keys, plus topic wise free live classes, free full length mock test, plus report card, then daily, weekly and monthly current affairs for your better preparation of current event, so that none of the events should get missed, plus unlimited subject wise practice question. So these are the value offerings which we are giving to our students for their preparation. So guys, that was all for the day. Let's meet again sharp at 5 PM for a session for the Supreme Court JCA. But not only it is important for JCA, it is equally important for other exams as well. So that's all from my side for today, guys. Let's meet in the next session. And if you are new to our channel, please subscribe the English Medium Prep by Exampur. So please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you can get all the latest notification. So that was all for the day. Bye bye everyone. Let's meet sharp at 5 PM.